I'll go back again to another video lecture on C# programming, and in this video lecture I'll go ahead and look at arithmetic operators. And what are arithmetic operators? These are operators like plus sign, division, multiplication, modulus, and all other ones. But the basic of them is plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, and how what is called increment and decrement. Okay, now let's go ahead and see how to use that. We first of all start by creating integer variables of let's say integer variable of x, and let's say x is equal to 7 plus semicolon, and the integer variable of y, and let y be equal to 5 and plus semicolon, and let's create another integer variable of float variable of double or anyone. Let's go ahead and use double, and let double be double of z be equal to, okay, let's not assign anything to z at this moment. Now let's go ahead and use console dot write line. So console dot write line, we can go ahead and say that the first one we have is plus, let's say x plus y. Go ahead and place semicolon, and therefore also see that, go ahead and use console dot read key. Now go ahead and place semicolon at the end. So the first operator is plus. So if you go ahead and run this code, it's going to add 7 and 5, and that will be 12. So you can see that printed out 12 for you. Alright? So this is the first one. You can all use other ones like minus, and if you run that, it's going to give you 2. Can you see that? Now the next one is, let's say, x-series, and x-series is for multiplication. So if you run that, it's going to give you 35, and if you change that to division, now divide that and run this code. Let's check it out. 1, and you may ask me, why do we get 1 instead of 1 point? Go ahead and say maybe z is equal to x divided by y. Okay, and now let's go ahead and put the value of z right in here, and let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. 1. Now, how can we get the remainder? Go ahead and use modulus. Let's say z modulus, and the modulus is going to be 2 because it's going to be 1.2. Go ahead and run this code and check it out. 2, can you see that? So modulus helps you to get the remainder anytime it is part of the arithmetic operators we're talking about. Okay. Now we have what is called increment, and we have what is called decrement. So let's say that z is equal to x. So let's say that z is equal to x, and x is 7 plus z plus z 8. Can you see that? It added 1 to that. Now, you can also remove this from here, and now go over here and set plus, and run this code, check it out. 8. So in that way, you can also put negative, and that means decrement. Alright, so that means decrement, and 6. Okay, so it's minus 1 from that. So these are some of the arithmetic operators that we have in C# programming, and the reason why you're going to need to know that is because you'll be using this most times. Okay, because we're still moving down deep into this course, and we'll begin to use this anytime, any place, anywhere. And if you don't know the basic right now, you might not be happy then. But now put this down, play around with it, and if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.